is Andres Calderon. I am a student of the University El Bosque in the System Engineer program. And today we will try to solve the workshop proposed in the matter of the security of information. And it may be the teacher Jessica Alvarez Mata. To perform this practice, it is necessary to download and install the latest version of XAMPP. And you must also install Apache, PHP, MySQL. Okay, the work should be performed on the Linux operation system in the version. The purpose of this workshop is to evaluate, diagnostic, and create the hardening guide for the computer system, also applicant and middle layer level. Okay, we will apply the SIS 2.7 to 2.10 rules described in the Oracle 6. Okay, the rule 2.7 indicates that it is good practice to request a password change or that password have a lifespan of less than 365 days. And with this way, we established our own rule that indicates that the password will have a lifetime of 19 days. The rule 2.8 indicates that you should make sure that the password has a strong complexity. We perform the different queries as we be the benchmark. The new password should have different entries such as numbers, capital letters, and special characters. In the rule 2.9, when a password is reset, the new password must be much stronger and must not be repeated with respect to the previous one. The rule 2.10 is a simple. It states that we should require the current password to be changed. But okay, now we are going to make a configuration in the Ubuntu firewall and call it UFW or uncomplicated firewall. We will try to close some ports and update Ubuntu. This is very important to get the lasted Ubuntu patches. Whenever we work with database under Linux operating system, we must verify that the UFW is enabled because it is always disabled by default. And we will also try to execute commands to backup and then or allow connection to certain IP addresses. And we will always do all this is in terminal. Okay, Linux offer a number of rules applicable to UFW to extend the protection of your servers. Okay, the first thing to do is to verify the status of the operating system version. For that, we execute the following command. My version is 90.04. If your machine is the same or lower, you should update the operating system, since the last version is 22.04, released in April of this year. Now, we are going to verify the firewall status. In case the command is not found or wrong, we should reset to download UFW with the following command. Now we are going to close and open ports. This is done depending on the needs of your business model. For this case, we are going to close and open port 56 for the TCP protocol. We are going to plug it. Now all the apps that try to connect uh, to the server using ports 56 will not be able to do it. To open or close multiple ports, we use the command, the next command. And okay, we are going to block access to a specific IP. We can also specify which IP address is going to connect to a certain port. To see the rules that our UFW was, we run the command sudo UFW status numbered. If we want to delete a rule, we simply run sudo UFW delete the rule number.